So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So we will take a look at our gold for the next day, which is on the 28th. We want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. So let's quickly do a quick analysis or a recap on this our trend. So the daily time frame, you can see that this is a bullish move. So we will take this as an ice. We will consider this correction. A new ice was formed here, and here comes the correction on gold. We've seen a new ice, right? Which we add here, and guess what we had here? A correction. After this correction, guys, we are expecting a bullish move, right? This is exactly what we are having. So I mean, with the price just spike up, where I don't think so. Price needs to give us that uptrend move, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows till it moves up and take out this ice. So this is one of the reasons why we see something like this, a ice, a correction would be made here. So do not be surprised if we are having a correction. After the correction, a new ice should be made that will break the previous size, possibly a correction, and again a new ice on this gold. So we would want to see that higher highs and higher lows, right? Possibly we can enter to go long on this gold. Maybe once this price breaks above the moving average, then that will serve as a confirmation that our gold is now giving us an uptrend move, or a pullback for this level here is over. I mean, once the price can push up, break above the moving average, then it is a confirmation that this price is now above the moving average. Then we can now go long, right? So this gold would be expecting a bullish move, right? So we all know that if price is ranging previously, right, and price breaks out of that ranging market move, price must give us a pullback to test that level. Now take a look at this level here. You saw that price once reacted here. Let's see it here. We saw price once reacted here, right? We saw price reacted here. We saw dropped, right? Price came up again, came to this level, react to it, and it dropped, right? Price came to this down level, right? We saw it went up. We saw price came to this same level again. It went up, came to this level again, failed to break this level three times, like three bottom, right? Triple bottom. So price failed to break it and it went up. So this is one of the reasons why I took this highs and lows as supports and resistance level on daily time frame. So once this price came to this resistance, we tend to see drop to the support, then went up to the resistance, drop to this support, then went up a little bit, come to test the support, and we saw it went up to this resistance level. And guess what? Price actually broke above it. So of course, once price breaks above it, what do you expect next? A pullback to the main. So this is exactly what we had here. A pullback was made, and after the pullback, a continuous bullish move. So this is exactly what we are expecting on gold. We would want to continue our bullish move, but as at now, a pullback is being made here. So is this pullback over? So that will now, to be able to know if it is over, we want to go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see the 4-hour time frame, right? The 4-hour time frame is bullish. So you can see it, impulse move. Here comes the correction, and now a new impulse move needs to be made. So we are having a new bullish move. Now let's see what this Fibonacci actually says, because I've not done it before. Let's see. So this Fibonacci is at this level, right? So this Fibonacci has come to a level of 50. You can see I started this level from here. So and I took this ice candlestick wick here. So we saw it went up and get to this level of 50. I think so it is over. And if in case this to withdraw further down, then we should see it reject at the level of 61. But I don't think so. We should start seeing a bullish move. One of the reasons why once this Fibonacci came to when the level came to this 50 percentage on our Fibonacci, we are seeing a bullish move. So do not be surprised. Let's go bullish on gold, right? And if you want to take this trade, I will advise you wait for this price to actually break this size. So that is what I'll tell you guys. Before you go, before you buy or go long on this gold, it is simple. Wait for this price to break above the highs. Then that will be a solid confirmation that we are now on a bullish move. If not, we might see this price come to tap this level and drop again. Thereby, the 4-hour time frame will now start giving us a ranging market move for some times, right? Because we see that price has once reacted here. You see price has reacted here. So price can come to this level, drop to this support level, and come again to this resistance level. So the best thing is to actually just wait for this price to actually break this ice before you go on this trade and go long for the day.